Hello, my name is Kelly Pryor, and this is my screencast for my lesson plan number 2, Fraction Dolphins. For Fraction Dolphins, it's a game that will be done in this lesson. This lesson is part of the grade 5 Unit 4 curriculum, and the subject matter is equivalent fractions. So during this lesson, as you can see on my YOLA site page, I already have open right here is my lesson plan, which could be clicked on to be taken to the script where I uploaded it. And it could be read through, printed out. It's a detailed before, during, and after lesson with all the materials that are needed. And for this lesson, before the game is played, I have some pre-made worksheets that the teacher can use with her students to show the different steps for finding equivalent fractions. The one on the left, right on the computer screen, is finding equivalent fractions with a number line, where, as listed in the lesson plan, some of the questions will be modeled, done as a group, and then done independently. The worksheet on the right, called Finding Equivalent Fractions, is independent work after the game, where the teacher can use that as an assessment to see what the students still need to work on and what skills they have already mastered. So I'm going to go down to my game, and it's called Fraction Dolphins, and what you have to do is click on it's embedded in my website. Click on it. There is sound. I'm going to keep the sound mute, but it's pretty loud. And what you have to do is click here to play this game. And so, as you can see on the screen, it says Game Instructions. Step 1, read the fraction on the fish bucket. Step 2, click on the dolphin with the equivalent fraction to feed it. Step 3, progress through 3 rounds and earn your certificate. So there's going to be 3 rounds in this game, and it gets harder as the user goes up in the rounds. To start, you need to click on Feed the Dolphins. So as you can see, I have a bucket of fish, and on my bucket it says 1/2. So I need to find the equivalent fraction for 1/2. So as you look through, you could click, if you click on the wrong one, it will say incorrect in flash, and the dolphin will go away. This will be shown after the game is completed, that you're incorrect and you're correct. So let me click on the correct one. 2/16. And then it won't say incorrect, the dolphin will go underwater. And this will be continued throughout the 3 levels. And at the end, that's when you get the certificate, and the teacher could print it. She could use it for her records. And this is a really fun, engaging game because of the sound, the characters. You could check to see if you got it right or wrong. I like the feedback that is given. So it is on this website. Let's see. So that's what happens when you get it wrong. So yeah, as you can see, this is the second round, and there are more dolphins, and the number that you have to change the fraction to, its equivalent fraction, actually gets more challenging. So that was the game embedded on my website for my second lesson plan, including with all the additional materials that the teacher or whoever's implementing the lesson can use.